Me and my sister, it's snowing really crazy.
You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. I need to go, I need to go, I need to go, I need to go. Hi. Oh, she just changed everything. Hi. I wonder how they put out every flow. Yeah. The flower would grow. When I hear the song, then I just go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You have a good night too. I know. Tia, where you been? It's been like 2 weeks. I got some McDonald's because we're gonna chit chat while I eat my McDonald's. Let me sanitize first. Yeah, guys, woo! It has been a rough couple of weeks. I feel like when I'm going through anything, I just always want to make sure I come on as a positive person to you guys and in a positive light. So ooh, this High C orange I have not had in a minute. Now this is the start to the vlog, but I have old footage that will be inserted later, so that footage really will be the vlog. But I need to come on here, update y'all really quick on what the heck is going on, where I've been. So let me just tell you what I got from McDonald's. I didn't eat all day today, so I know this is not like, you know, healthy or whatever, but I got a Filet-O-Fish. If y'all have never had the McDonald's Filet-O-Fish, take this as me putting y'all on and go get yourself a Filet-O-Fish. So good. Okay, so I've been feeling real lazy and just not feeling up to doing anything. After that last week of February, y'all, I just was not feeling anything. Like, I was like, I don't feel like recording, nothing. So I had to take my little hiatus for a good week or two, but we back. I feel like I was getting tested and there just was a lot going on, and something about the first week of March was just like, I don't know, not good. But it's crazy because I spoke to a lot of other people and they were saying kind of the same thing. So I don't know, there was something spiritually going on that first week of March. So yeah, I'm gonna insert the footage of what I had of vlogging that last week of February into where it just cuts off. I was all over the place in that vlog. You guys will see. I was clearly going through something, and then I was feeling led by God to speak to you guys and just let y'all know there was a lot going on, and I just know that it was a lot going on spiritually for a lot of people. I have a lot of videos coming for you guys. We gotta do some real chit-chatting. So I'm not about to talk your head off, but I had to just let y'all know I wasn't good, but I'm good. But I wasn't down that bad. I just need a little break. And I got my break, and I'm back. And I have new goals. And I have a lot of stuff and a lot of content coming you guys' way. I'm gonna finish my Filet-O-Fish. We gonna insert vlog footage in 2 seconds. But yeah, love you guys. Hey beauties, welcome back to another weekly vlog. So I actually just got in from the gym. Y'all see me? Ew, 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 ew. I thought I was able to show the glutes, but clearly I didn't. I had a late workout tonight. Yeah, we're starting off the vlog on a Tuesday. It's Tuesday, it's Taco Tuesday. I just got in the house. One of my neighbors just gifted me tacos. Like, they made tacos for me,
as like a happy Taco Tuesday, and I was like, oh my goodness, thank you. And it was so good. It was salmon tacos. It was so flavorful and light, and it was perfect, especially because I just got in from the gym too, so I'm not trying to like eat something heavy. It was so good. That was like amazing. And guys, they gave it to me on one of their plates. I'm like, let me wash this so I could give it back to them. I'm not gonna, it's late, so I'm gonna give it back to them tomorrow. But like, that was so sweet. Like, I love my building. I love my neighbors. So I actually picked up the camera because your girl did a little shopping. So I was, I needed skincare because my skincare was running out, well, running low. So basically I got a few things from Sephora. So, and you know Sephora gives you free samples, so I got a sample of this perfume called Chloe, and it's a feminine, natural, sexy, chic scent that has notes of, I know one of the notes is vanilla because I love vanilla scented things. This does not say the notes on it. Yeah, it doesn't say the notes, but I know when I had hit order it was because it had vanilla in there. So it actually smells really good. So I'm gonna put this in my perfume collection because I gotta spray it a few more times on me to see if I actually really like it before I just go and, you know, order some stuff. And then I got this Sol de Janeiro body oil, and I'm like so freaking excited to try because, wait, this, I thought it came with something free, but it's just the pump in there to pump the lotion. Is this a big tube? Ooh. Okay, this is pretty small. This is the size. I thought for the price it would be bigger, but it's okay. Let me smell it. Sorry guys, holding the camera and trying to open this. Okay. Wow, not coming off. It smells like the Boom Boom cream and the mist and the perfume, but just like oily. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm so freaking excited because layering all of those, I'm just gonna smell like the beach. Like, I'm gonna smell like summer. I'm gonna smell like vacation. I re-upped on my Wishful. If you know, you know. And then I got this K. Ali perfume scent. Is basically all the K. Ali scents. But I didn't know it was gonna be this freaking tiny for what the price was. I feel like I'm being gypped. Yeah, I low-key feel like I'm being gypped. But do y'all see the psoriasis patch on my stomach? Like, what is happening to my skin? But yeah, I actually did want to smell all of these because I'm really into fragrances right now and just like smelling so good. So basically they have a vanilla scent, a musk scent, deja vu, sweet diamond, a love fest, juicy apple, invite only, and utopia. So basically one is vanilla scented, one is vanilla cocoa, one is like a few things, lotus flower, vanilla. One is a white flower scent, one is a pink pepper, one is a juicy apple, and one is a burning cherry. So I am like freaking excited to smell these. I wish I had a coffee bean because I heard when you're smelling fragrances, you should like have a coffee bean so that your nose doesn't get used to the scent. But I'm gonna spray it on basically this paper that came in the bag, in the box. So this is vanilla. I smell the vanilla. It does smell good, but it's kind of giving me old person vibes a little bit. By the way guys, I ended off the last vlog sick and I'm still sick. Okay, so let me smell that vanilla. Oh, I sprayed it here. That is strong. Okay, so the more I smell it, the more I kind of like it. The vanilla does smell really good. Okay, let me spray the musk. I've never tried a musk scent. Okay. The musk scent is very light. The musk scent is giving, I'm going to the gym and I just want a little fragrance, like a gym scent, yeah. That does smell good though. Okay, that doesn't smell like anything. Okay, let me smell Deja Vu, which is the white flower scent. Not my cup of tea. I don't like the white flower. It doesn't smell bad, it's just not my cup of tea. Okay. Now let's try Sweet Diamond, which is the pink pepper scent. It smells okay. Yeah, no, I don't like the pink pepper. Okay, new papers, I could keep trying. Okay, so now this scent is called Utopia. It is their vanilla cocoa scent. This is definitely giving beach vibes. Like if you were legit on a beach with some suntan lotion, suntan oil, sunscreen layered on it, yeah, that's fire. Vanilla cocoa smells good. This one is called Invite Only. It's an amber scent, so an amber scent. No, it's very amber. No. Good morning, you guys. I'm over here trying to be like, do like an aesthetic montage shot. I actually just got back in the house from getting my lashes done. But yeah, I got my Cara vitamins, prebiotic and probiotic. I really love how it says my name on it, like that. I don't know. It feels personalized. So yeah, this is how I take it. I open up the capsule and I pour all the contents into the back of my throat. That's how I take it. Cause this plastic stuff, of course your body will break it down and get rid of it, but if I could just take it like that, what's the point? Plus, I actually never really learned how to take pills. Little fun fact about Tia. And then I just swallow it down with my glutamine. But it is early, y'all. I had an early lash appointment. I was like, girl, I get my lashes done by the owner of the place. And I'm always to her, like she's always, I've been going to her for a while, so I think this is why she gives me special treatment. But I am always like, I need an early morning appointment, you know, I got things to do. So her business technically be opening like 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11, but I'm always like, I need like that early morning appointment. So she'll be like, okay, I can get you here by 9:30. Is that okay? Can you do that? And it's like, I'm making her come to her own business earlier to accommodate me. But it's just like, I love that. I appreciate that. It's really sweet because I'm her client who, I like early morning appointments and to get stuff out of the way, you know. Lashes take like an hour and a half to do. So it's just like, I don't have time to be going midday, you know. So it just works out, and she is very accommodating. And I love how she does my lashes. It always looks natural, but like full. Like it's not like, if it's like, okay, y'all seen earlier in the vlog how I looked last night and my lashes were very, you know, like not done. But now it's like, oh, your lashes are done, but it still gives natural beauty. At least I think so. I don't know, you guys can let me know in the comments, but I literally love my lashes. Like, just first off, like looking into somebody's eyes and just like, what'd you say? What did you say? Oh, that's what she said. Let me stop. Hey beauties, it's later on in the evening. I'm actually having a moment because I've been doing some self-reflecting, and I need all of you to like really like listen to me right now before it's too late. Before it's too late. Get to know God for yourself. Get to know Jesus, because things are happening and moving quick, and I would not want anybody to get left behind. I just got checked myself because there have been things that I as a Christian have not been doing, which is spreading the gospel. I have not been doing it as I should, like with the people that I love and with people that I know and that I meet and people that I come in contact with and speak to, because there's so many people lost. And I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that, because there's a lot getting ready to happen. It's not a moment to like be fearful or live in fear, but there's a lot getting ready to happen, and there's a lot of people that are I don't even want to say it. I don't want anybody to get lost. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm getting ready to go to bed, and I'll pick up this vlog at another point, but I had to come on here and just say that because, yeah, God is moving. God is moving, you guys, and it's all about to come to pass. And when the Lord leads you and the Lord is speaking to you and telling you things, you gotta listen. You better listen. And I'm at that point where God is checking me. Like, I need to listen. I need to move. I need to do more than what I'm doing and more than what I have been doing. So let's move, you guys. I love y'all. Yeah, we'll pick up this. Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. It's a new day. So I just actually got in from taking Nala for a walk, but I got a package, and my best friend, literally she texts me and asked me like, hey, do you like this? And I'm like, yeah, it's cute. And she's like, oh, well, it'll be arriving to your door at like 5. And I'm like, oh. Don't make me start ugly crying. I have the best friend in the world. She literally got me a planner, you guys. Mind you, I've been needing one. This has literally been a thought, like, I do need a planner for this year. And she got me one, and it's so cute and aesthetic. And I really have been wanting to just put my thoughts and the things that I want, you know, pen to paper, rather than just having it in my phone. So I am just like, wow, wow, wow. I love you. I love you mucho. Oh my goodness, it's so cute and aesthetic, and this can literally go on my whole little business desk, get things done area. So thank you, I love you. That's what I came on here to tell you guys. I'm still under the weather, but we're getting better. We're getting better by the day. I'm hoping that I am literally like free of all this by Saturday. That's the goal. Hey beauties, so it's actually been a few days since I picked this camera up, so just letting y'all know I'm here, I'm good, I'm well. But I'm actually, today's my nephew's birthday. We are getting ready to go out to celebrate. I don't really have on nothing celebration-y. I kind of have like on a run errands kind of fit, just some leggings, t-shirt that says balance. And yeah, about to put on some shoes and we're gonna head there. So yeah, let's go. Happy birthday to my nephew.
No, you're not done. Yes.
He's 10, guys. Y'all have watched him grow up.
Maddie, that's... Say, take your jacket.
Period. He wanted to go to Chili's, so we're all here with the kitties, his friends, and little cousins, Maddie and Grayson. The adults don't want to be on camera, so here's me. We about to eat good, right? Food is here, chicken fajitas. Isaiah got all that.
The birthday boy.
Period. So much food on the table. Excited. Yeah, I'm here. Me and my sister. It's snowing really crazy. This is crazy. We're legit car to car. Let me get behind her. The freaking roads have not been salted and it just is like, let me put my camera down and drive safe. Why are you crying, mama? Since it's snowing, I'm about to take Nala outside since she's never experienced snow because it's the first time it's snowing in New York this year. I think I put too many layers on her so she doesn't like it. Let me fix her and then we'll be outside. Okay. This door is stuck. Oh. Nala is like, what is going on? Come, Nala, come in the snow. Go in the snow. Look at her little footprints. Oh, I think she just ate a little bit.
She made a 9.
Oh. Come on, mommy. Hey beauties, so I just got in from the grocery store and I am in need of organizing my entire fridge. I cleaned out my fridge right before I left to the grocery store just so that I knew what I didn't have, what wasn't good anymore. And now I'm about to organize everything. So yeah, come along with me. So everything is put away and in its place. So this is what the fridge is looking like. I got carrots, oranges, broccoli, peppers and stuff. I got all my fruits and also some plain Greek yogurt. I want to make like a parfait. I got kiwis. I got all my juices. Y'all see my green juice? Y'all know green juice. All my juices. I got Chinese food while I was out shopping because I was hungry. And all my condiments. And then excuse all that ice. My freezer is super full. Thank you, Jesus. And then I took my bread out of the fridge because I actually don't want cold bread. And then I have like banana, avocado, onions, garlic. Yeah, so everything is put away. Now it is time for me to clean up my home, fold up my laundry, and get my life together. So that's what I'm about to do. Oh, and I also got some new treats for Nala. She got these milk bone treats. She likes the bone marrow treat by this company, but they didn't have any at Target, so I got these little milk bones, and then these little peanut butter treats, and they look like little gingerbread men, so I hope she likes it. And yeah, so that was my shopping trip. I'm tired. Yeah, let me go get my life. Okay, so I got all these berries and fruits, and I'm like, let me wash my fruits. So I just made my solution. I use Trader Joe's fruit and veggie wash. It's crazy because I never actually looked at the directions. Okay, so I am doing it right. It's basically a few drops of the solution and then a lot of water. So that's what I did, and now I have this bubbly solution. So I kind of just throw the fruits in, massage the fruits, and then rinse them off, and they're like perfect after that. So I'm literally about to wash all these fruits because, yeah, who's trusting these fruit companies nowadays to not put, even if you shop organic, because look, organic strawberries, organic blueberries, organic blackberries, organic raspberries. And organic is supposed to mean no like sprays and stuff, but like I don't trust it. So I know I got my bonnet on, but I'm literally, the grapes, you can't find organic grapes because I don't know, at least I can't. Look at how these grapes look. They look delicious. I know they're gonna be crunchy and crispy, but like they have like spray on them, and that will legit get you sick. So literally dropping all of them into the solution and cleaning them, because I don't know about y'all, but I don't have the time. So I literally just take both my hands and legit massage the fruits. My camera's dying, so I'm gonna show y'all when it's all done and the containers that I put them in. Okay, so I'm done. It's the strawberries. This is blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and then the grapes. So they're all in their containers, and then I put these little containers on top. I mean the lids on top, and then put them right in the fridge. Y'all know I gotta test it out. The strawberries, bomb. Okay, grapes, these are so crispy. Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, y'all. Okay. Berries. Gotta get one of each. I got a blueberry, raspberry, and a blackberry. So good. And so good for you. I'm trying to be healthy. That was so good. Okay. Yeah, that was amazing. Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Uh-huh.
Can dogs eat blueberries?
According to American Kennel Club, yes, dogs can eat.
I'm about to give Nala a blueberry. Nala! Here, Mama. She's smelling it. It's like, let me take this to my bed. She's just holding it in her mouth like, I don't know what to do with this, Mom. Okay. She gonna play with it until she actually eat it. I hope she do eat it. You know, it's a new thing for her. It's her first time. So she's kind of like, do I like it? She's literally playing with it, y'all. Look at her. She just stopped because the camera's on her. Look at my baby. You don't like it? I need to give her a haircut, you guys. You don't like it, Nala? It's like, no. It's an acquired taste. It's an acquired taste, Mama. Eat it. Gosh.